Hey, you know, there's gonna be hail in this thing.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Hey, Ryan, you gotta go inside. Dude, look how round it looks. This thing's really fast. Hey, Ryan, you should tell me when my radio starts beeping.
No, don't stand there. You saw it?
No tornado. It's just gonna be really windy. Dude, this is a nasty wall cloud. No, I'm staying out here for this now. Yeah. Dude. Oh. Bro, look at your tree. Is it hailing? Ah, sadly not.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah, Ryan's gotta stay aside for this one.
It's just in my ear.
Landon,
What?
that's all in your set.
Dude, oh no.
It's a nice little storm though.
Hey guys, I think
The worst you've ever seen, right?
no. No. Well, look at your tree.
Whoa!
Dude, I don't.
Yeah, there goes the rest of that tree.
I think your tree's gonna have a hard time with this.
Yeah, that tree's going
My
down.
house is going to be going side to side. Look at it. Let's put
Oh, there it goes.
it just went?
Ah, I guarantee it will.
Let's look at the damage when this gets done in like 10 minutes. What could make it worse is hail. Bro, is it hailing?
Look at that thing coming out.
Yeah. Oh,
Go, boy, go!